Namaste children. Today we will learn the forms of verb. Okay, there are basically 5 forms of verb. They are base form, the main, the action word. Then comes past form, past participle, present participle, and present. This one is known as V1, V2, V3. This one V4 and V5. V4 is present form of the verb plus ing, and V5 is we add s or es, and it is the present form. So I have written here 4 verbs. You can see and their forms. The first one is eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. Read, 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 reading, reads. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking, drinks. Arrive, arrived, arrived, arriving, arrives. So can you see, children, all these verbs are different. One verb is not matching with the other. Why? Because there is also different forms. See here, only we are adding with the word arrive, arrived. Ed we added ed, and we made it past form. But it is not similar with this form. You see, read, read, read. There is no changes. This one eat, ate, eaten. That is different. And drink, drank, drank. That is also different. So all are unique, isn't it? So regarding this, verbs are divided into 2 categories: regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are the verbs that we can make it past by adding d or ed. Okay, we add d or ed and we simply make it past. That is simple. But the same rule is not applied with all the verbs. These are different, isn't it? So these are known as irregular verbs. So now we will learn what is regular and what is irregular verbs. Okay, let us learn this. So now you see verbs. Verbs can be categorized as regular and irregular. Okay, verbs can be categorized as regular verb and irregular verb. Regular verbs follows a fixed pattern. What is that pattern? What is that fixed pattern? By adding d, ed or ied. Okay. So regular verbs follows a fixed pattern by adding d, ed or ied to the base form, to the base verb. Okay. So it can be changed immediately. There is no such problem. And irregular verbs do not follow any pattern. They do not follow any pattern to change from base form to past and past participle. Okay, so let us learn these regular and irregular verbs in details. Children, let us see some regular verbs that ends with d. Suppose arrive. Arrive is the word base form. It changes into arrived. V-E-D. E is already there, so we added D, isn't it? Some more examples are here like that. Light is another word. Light is the past form and past participle form. V2 and V3 both are same. Arrive, arrived, arrived. So V2, V3, V2, V3. Let us have a look at verb that ends, that takes ed form in the past. For example, act, acted. Behave, behaved. behave, acted like that. Both are same, V2 and V3. So both are same. Okay. So like that, so many verbs are there. You will get ending with this ed form. Now let's have a look with the verbs that takes ied form. Suppose in a base verb, the last letter is consonant and that is Y consonant is there, then that verb takes ied form. For example, cry, suppose it will be cried. Try is the base form ending with the consonant Y, it will be tried. So both are same in V2 form and V3 form. Both are same in V2 and V3. Past and past participle, both are same. Cry, cry. So these are a few examples. There are so many verbs you will get when you will search it. So let's learn something about the irregular verbs. Okay. In irregular verbs, there are 4 different categories. For example, the base form is same with the present participle. Sometimes the base form, the past form and the past participle is same, and sometimes 3 are same and sometimes all 3 are different. For example, the base form. For example, base form is equal to past participle. Second category is past form equals to past participle. Okay. Third category is the base form plus past form plus past participle are same. In the third category, base, past form and past participle 3 are same. And number 4, base form, past form, past participle, all these 3 are different, they are separate. Okay, now with example we will learn these 4 different categories of irregular verbs. Let's have a look at the first category of irregular verb where the base form and the past participle are same. For example, the base form is suppose come. Okay, the verb is come, become, run. See these 3 verbs, the past form is come, came, isn't it? Come, the past form is came, and the past participle is again come. Clear? Here the base form and the past participle both are same. This one same. Become, became, again become. So here you can see the base form and the past participle same. Run, ran, run. Clear? Here both the base form and the past participle are same. The second category where the past form and the past participle are same. For example, say, red, red. But the spelling, these spellings are same. Suppose red, 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 then put, cut, heart, 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 and so many examples we will get like that. This is the third form where all these base form, past form, and past participle three are seen. Now coming to the last form, that is where all these three forms are separate, different. Okay, let's see. Go, went, turn. Isn't it? These three forms are different. There is no matching between each other. And sing, sang, sung, swim, swam, SW, UM, SWAM, swam, ring, rang, rang. Okay, like that, so many examples. Here also you will get. Children, in English grammar, there are more than 1 lakhs of verbs. Out of these, 25,000 verbs that are in regular practice. So as much as practice you will do, your verb forms will be clear. It is very, very necessary that you have to practice this. Otherwise, there is no other way to learn. Okay, and regular forms of verbs are more, and irregular forms are less in English grammar. So learn the forms of verbs. In the previous video, I told you to learn at least 30 verbs. Now you add more. Okay, the number 30 you made it 300, then 400, like that. So that there will be no problem when you will change the verbs, when you will learn tense, or when you will do tense. Tense also we will do. So that's all for today. For your help, I am going to give you a few lists of these verbs and its forms. You go through the verb forms. Present participle that we have not discussed, I have not written in the board, but it is easy. The base form plus ing. Okay, that is also known as zaran. That we will come to know when we will do finite and non-finite verbs. There are non-finite verbs also. Those are used as nouns, isn't it? That ing form, the base form v1 plus ing, that form, suppose coming, going, then swimming, all these words can be used as the subject that I told you earlier, isn't it? And that form is also known as gerund, that we will come to know. And the last form, that is v5, that is the present form. Okay, that is easy. You go through the list, you will come to know.